Welcome to Learning Activity 1 of AO3. Learning Activity 1 is a C grade task, and in this you're going to have to show how you created a starting title in Windows Movie Maker. The main thing you need to understand is that you need to take screenshots, and you need a minimum of 4 screenshots to pass this section. Okay? First thing I'm going to do is to open Windows Movie Maker. I'm going to create an imaginary movie about tree hugging. Okay, something plain and simple so you learn. First thing you need to do is to move your mouse cursor, okay, and go to Tools. Once you get to Tools, you click on Titles and Credits. Once you click on Titles and Credits, you click on Add Title at the beginning of the movie. Once you click on Add Title at the beginning of the movie, you then get to enter the title for your movie. So I'm going to enter Hug or Go Home. That's my title. Okay? Remember, your title and everything you're creating must relate exactly to what you said on your storyboard. Slight deviations are allowed, but if you change your movie, you have to change your storyboard, so please remember that. So I've got my title here, Hug or Go Home. Next thing I want you to do is to click on Change the Title Animation. Once you click on Change the Title Animation, you can choose lots of different animations. Okay, there's typewriter, okay, and that's what happens. There's ticker tape, and that flies on the bottom of the screen. There's news banner. I'm going to leave it on news banner. Once you've done that, I want you to click on Change the Text Font and Color, and you can choose the color, okay, of the fonts and the background. I'm going to choose, let's say, purple. Okay, and click on OK. So that changes it to purple. And I can also change the font that I want. I can choose something called Mongolian. I'll choose that. I can also choose to make my font bigger or smaller with these here, to either make the font grow, so that will make the font get bigger, or to make it smaller, I'll click on that to make it smaller. I can also make my font transparent. Okay, if I click on this slider and move it to the right, you see my font goes slightly transparent. Okay, I can either choose to make it bold, okay, I can make it italics, or I can make it underlined. It's entirely up to you. You choose. You can also choose to send it to align the text to the left, align it to the center, or you can align it to the right. It's entirely up to you. Once you're done and you're satisfied with what you've done in the screen here, simply click on Done, Add Title to Movie, and you will see on your storyboard down here, okay, if you look at my mouse cursor, what you have just created. If you want to see what it looks like, simply move your mouse cursor and go and click on the preview play, and it will play for you to see how long or what your title will look like. That is how you create a starting title. Now go do it. But remember, whatever you do, you're taking screenshots and you are putting them on this sheet here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. It's up to you. You can choose a minimum of 4 screenshots, or you can use more than 4 screenshots to show, but you need to show the screenshots showing the steps that you followed. So the first one, I clicked on Tools. I then chose Titles and Credits. I then entered my title. I then made these changes. I did this, I did that. That's how it should be. Now go now and do it.